Welcome to X Factory. Today, we'll explore the pickling process at our factory from fresh cabbage. Let's step inside to discover how we produce the best pickles. The first and important is still the seedling process. Cabbage seeding are produced in greenhouses, like this field, all with automatic machines. This machine lifts the cabbage and separates the old leaves. Cabbage, a vegetable that is so familiar to all of us, however. A dish is brought to national level from cabbage. First and foremost, the pickling process begins with the preparation of fresh cabbage and ingredients. After being chopped, they are soaked in large brine tanks, and now cabbage fermented by various lactic acid bacteria. They are tested before bottling. See the process of making sauerkraut and more. The next, it's red cabbage. The processing process is similar to white cabbage. After the fermentation process is complete, the cabbage is processed and packaged according to strict standards to ensure the quality of the final product. And that's the pickling process at our factory. We hope you found it interesting and gained insight into our production process. Thank you for joining us on this journey.